on Shabbos is enough, including not going to a synagogue.
No, going to synagogue and not going to synagogue does not make any difference. There is so a man, right, must pray 3 times a day, and on Shabbos and Yom Tov there is a special additional prayer called Musaf. Musaf, so Shacharis connects to the morning sacrifice. So there were 2 sacrifices in the Beis Hamikdash. In the morning, right? Morning Tamid. Tamid is continual offering, right? In the morning and in the afternoon. So Shacharis is for morning offering. Mincha is for afternoon offering, and Ma'ariv, like the evening prayer, is actually for. There were no offerings, but we had to burn on the altar all of the remaining meat. Well, like whatever we didn't have time to burn during the day, so we burned the whole night. The whole night the altar was busy. Kohanim were working non-stop the whole night. You understand? That's what Mariv services is. So until the dawn. Okay. And on Shabbos there was like extra sacrifice, right? Extra sacrifice that we call Musaf. So that's when we pray, even pray in the synagogue, where you're praying alone, does not make any difference. I mean, the connection to the sacrifices is still there. So we have to, man has to pray 4 times. This Musaf is very short, actually. I mean, not very short, but shorter than Shacharis, let's say. Right, and so women pray 1 time. That's enough. But many women accepted upon themselves the custom to pray twice a day. It's not, of course, they do not pray complete prayer, most of them, but some of them who have time, they pray complete prayer. There is no problem. Okay. So what else? Any other questions?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.